Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to fetch order history. Okay. So if you are trading with any kind of a broker, there will be kind of dashboard, positions, order book. Okay, so especially there will be some of the orders which is got cancelled, rejected. So there will be kind of a history will be there, and there will be some of kind of order placement which is done, and some of the things which is getting executed. Okay, so all of the stuffs will get included in this order history. Okay, so if you try to track this stuff, it will be available. So you just try to check it out. Say suppose some of the reasons when you're trying to execute, and maybe some of the reasons it is getting cancelled. Okay, so that is how you can just go and check. Okay, and even for this order history can be utilized for your analysis as well as mock trading. Okay, so it is important. So we'll gonna do this stuff. I'll just take it out this product ID. You can fill as much as possible. Okay, so first of all we'll just go and try to pick some of code required stuff. Okay, so until I think I just required product ID. So up to this we can move and we can just take it out with the stuff. Okay, and let's move to our ID. So we'll paste it here, and in this what happens, we try to remove as we are not going with the order type, and maybe I'll utilize the panda, so I will keep it, otherwise let it be. So what we have to say, we have to just we just have to say query, especially in this case because as we are not running too much getting this kind of this thing. So if we are getting with delta exchange API, what happens, it is getting filtered it out with the help of product ID. Okay, so if I have explained earlier as well, if you are going with any kind of these things, you need to proceed with your product ID. Okay, so if I'm asking the query as well, I should know what kind of a product ID I am submitting. Okay, so I just have to give this stuff, and it is very much easy to call. So if I have to say order, or say order underscore history, okay, underscore response, I can see this, or otherwise order underscore history, and then I have to call my delta underscore client, which is authorized, okay, and whitelisted. And what I have to do next is I have to say order underscore history. In this particularly parenthesis, what are the things I have to fill? The things we need to fill here, we need to say query, and we need to say page underscore size, and I can give as much as possible, but I think one will be enough to show you what I am doing. Okay, so it will get me according to the product ID, whichever it is available. As we know, we try to get some of the orders which I think it is getting cancelled, and it is showing me what I've been done. Okay. So this is how you can check it out. Just go this stuff and try from your side. Okay, and I've been already done a lot of videos related to filtering JSON and getting in data frame and how you can deal all this stuff. So try to see how you can utilize. Okay, but it is the best. Okay, try to see. And if you want to add other product ID, okay, so what you can do, you can just try to filter it out as a product ID of this, and just say any of this as BTC USD 27 product ID there. So I've just given the stuff. What happens, it will give me the symbol with this as well. Okay, so try to see whatever I have been done, it's there. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.